Hey folks, if you're renovating a bathroom, the vanity is the centerpiece and it can either make the whole room or it can become a regretted headache that you're replacing in 1 to 2 years. Later in this video, I'm going to share some of my hard-gained experience to save you from making a costly mistake. My name is Sam Nazer. I started Renovate for Less 10 years ago right here in Metro Atlanta after spending over 2 decades as a builder, investor, and contractor. In all that time, I could never find products that were actual quality without paying an arm and a leg for them. So I built a company that does. So without any further delay, here are 3 things to look out for anytime you're buying a bathroom vanity. First, material and finish. This is definitely the most difficult of the 3 and the one that takes the most experience to identify. Cheap vanities use particle board or even more deceptively, MDF, with a thin coat that chips, yellows, and peels within a year. Instead, you want all wood or mostly wood cabinets with smooth, even finish that holds up to moisture and daily wear. So look closely at the joints for cracks in the paint, as well as rough cuts. The industry standard at big box stores is only 2 to 3 layers of finish. At Renovate for Less, we've moved to 7 layers with sanded edges to avoid these unsightly and longevity-killing quality shortcuts. Number 2 is cabinet construction. Cheaply made vanities will be made with low-grade materials like particle board and held together with, no joke here, staples and plastic corner supports. Others will be nailed together with finish nails. A well-built cabinet will have solid wood joints held together with pocket screws to ensure architectural integrity. Another thing to look out for is dovetail drawers, which are the gold standard built with dovetail jointry. If it's stapled together, built with particle board, just walk away. Another thing to be on the lookout for from unethical fakers that will make MDF drawers that look like dovetail drawers to trick folks into thinking it's a quality product when it really isn't. Third, the hardware and accessories, like glides and hinges. Soft close hardware isn't just a luxury nowadays. It's how you know if a company cares about long-term customer experience. Flimsy hinges and cheap glides are the first thing to go. And not all slow close and soft close hardware are built equal. You want to avoid ball-bearing, side-mounted glides and instead look for under-mounted ones with air compression technology, as well as multi-directional adjustable hinges. That's how you'll be able to make sure that the door stays straight after installation and over the years. At Renovate for Less, we've done all the vetting so you don't have to. Every product we carry is past our standard, which is my standard, because I wouldn't put my name on anything less. Moreover, we're a direct importer and have cut out all the middlemen, delivering the best prices possible on quality bathroom products like vanities, standalone tubs, and fixtures. Please browse our collection online, call one of our friendly non-commissioned reps, or visit us in store today. Renovate for less. Less regret, less time wasted, and less stress.